The Samsung Galaxy A56 is an upcoming addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup, expected to feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, it will offer configurations of 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSD. The device is anticipated to run on Android 15 with One UI 7, ensuring an up-to-date user experience. For photography, the A56 is rumored to include a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro sensor, alongside a 12MP front-facing camera for selfies. A 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W wired charging is expected to provide ample power and quick recharge times. Design elements may include an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass protection, and the device is likely to offer IP67 dust and water resistance. While pricing details are yet to be confirmed, the Galaxy A56 is poised to be a compelling choice for consumers seeking a balance of performance and features in the mid-range smartphone market.